So in my last video, I talked about the Asus ROG Phone 6D Ultimate, which has the MediaTek Dimensity 9000 Plus SoC and is launching on the 19th of September. Well, in this video, I will be talking about the design of the ROG Phone 6D Ultimate as well as the ROG Phone 6D. So yes, there is not just one phone, but rather two phones under this 6D series. The official renders of both these phones were shared by 91 Mobiles, and these renders give us a very good look at the designs and what all is different from the ROG Phone 6 series. In case you did not get it yet, the D in the names stands for Dimensity, and that is the only major difference between these new phones and the ROG Phone 6 series. And this is not just the case with the specifications but also with the design. Here you can see all the 4 ROG gaming phones of this year, and you will notice that the only major difference between these phones is the color. Apart from the color, almost every single design element is the same. There is the same text, there is the same camera module design, there is the same secondary display on the rear and the same front design. Only the ROG Phone 6D Ultimate is slightly different because on the rear it does not have the Dare to Play RGB text. Instead of that, it has some sort of a grey tab, but we are not sure whether it serves some purpose or it is just there for aesthetic purposes. Asus has already revealed that there is Dimensity 9000 Plus, but apart from that, the leaked specifications include a 165Hz OLED screen, a 6000 mAh battery, 65W fast charging, and a 50 megapixel Sony IMX766 camera sensor. Well, the price is still not known, but it is highly likely that the ROG Phone 6D series will be cheaper than the ROG Phone 6 series. Anyways, that is all about this video, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.